Step 1. Create a page. Click Create and choose Custom Size from the menu on the left. Change the units to millimetres and enter your dimensions in the width and height fields. In this example, the width is 85mm and the height is 55mm. Add bleed and safe zone. Start by clicking File, Settings, then enable Show Rulers and Guides. Next, go back to File, Settings, and select Add Guides. Choose Custom, then set the gaps, rows, and columns to 0. In both margin boxes, enter 3mm, then click Add Guides. To display the bleed area, go to File, Settings, Show Print Bleed. We now have a safe zone of 3mm and a bleed of 3mm added to the page. Step 2. Start designing. In this example, we'll be importing a logo as an SVG file. Click Uploads, then Upload Files. Select the file you want to upload, and these will then appear on the left side. Simply drag and drop them onto the page and place them how you want them. Step 3. Create a Spot UV only page. Now that your design is complete, the next step is to create a separate Spot UV page from your full artwork page. This page should only contain the elements you would like to appear in Spot UV, with everything else removed. To do this, simply click the duplicate page icon in the top right corner of your current page. This will create an exact copy of your artwork page. From there, remove any elements that won't be Spot UV. In this example, that would be the background. For the Spot UV file, all Spot UV elements need to be set to black. If they aren't already, select the relevant elements and change their colour to hashtag 000000, as shown in the example. Step 4. Create a print-only page. Make another duplicate of the first page like before. On this page, we remove the Spot UV elements from the page, leaving only the print. Here, we are not going to remove anything because we want the Spot UV to be over the black logo. Step 5. Name your pages. Name the pages by clicking on the page title in the top left corner and name them as follows: full_artwork, non_spot-UV, spot-UV_only, and these will be the names of your PDF files when saved. Step 6. Save your artwork. Save your artwork as a PDF by clicking File, Download. In File Type, select PDF Print, tick the option for crop marks and bleed. In Select Pages, deselect all pages and select Page 1 only. In the colour profile, ensure CMYK, Best for Professional Printing, is selected. This is a premium feature, so it's not available on the free plan. You'll need to do the same for all of the other pages as well. Untick page 1 and tick page 2, etc. So you end up with 3 separate PDFs, all named correctly. And that's it, you're all good to go. Head over to printed.com/support for further help and support.